Well, it's just a carp, but it was fun. I don't know, maybe 3 pounds or so. Uh, yeah, I don't want to eat this fish. I'm camping up here, but very fun to reel in. Well, there's the bass I just caught. 15.5-inch largemouth bass on my birthday even. So we're gonna cook this up and have it for dinner. I have some elk steaks also, but we'll start with the fish. So well, while that bass is cooking, I figured I'd show you the new rig. This is my 82 Chevy, which I've had for a while, but I used to have a Wilderness camper on the back, which is great, but it's just getting pretty old and beat up. So I built this rack for the bed, and we got a Smitty built rooftop tent, and this is our first night out in it, April 6th on my birthday. So working out good so far.